Welcome to Emilac Online Tutorial. Before us is this question that says simplify x raised to the power of 1 minus y times x raised to the power of y minus 1. So this is 1 minus y, and here you have y minus x, all raised to the power, all to the divided by 2 raised to the power y plus 2 equals x raised to the power 2 minus 3y. Alright, how do we simplify this? Now let us recall from a rule in indices that x to the power m times x to the power n equals x to the power m plus n, right? Okay, so you can also say that x to the power m into m equals x to the power m n. Alright, applying that rule here. So since they have the same base, here you have 2 raised to the power 1 minus y. Okay, let me just write it out first. Y minus 1, then over 2 raised to the power y plus 2 equals 8 raised to the power 2 minus what? 3y. Alright, here we can now say this is 2. Applying this rule here, we have 1 minus y plus y minus 1, then over 2 raised to the power y plus 2. You can also change this to a base of 2, which is 2 raised to the power 3 into 2 minus 3y. Alright, now let us also, there is a rule that says that x raised to the power m over x raised to the power n equals x raised to the power m minus what? N. Okay, so applying that rule here. Okay, let's move further here. Here you have simplifying, here you have 2. Collecting like terms, you have 1 minus 1 minus y plus y, right? Then over 2 to the power y plus 2 equals 2. Opening this bracket, following this rule, we have 6 minus 9y, right? Okay, so and as such here now, simplifying further, 1 minus 1 is 0, so it's 0. So here we have 2 raised to the power 0 over 2 raised to the power of y plus 2, which is 2 raised to the power of 6 minus 9y. And anything raised to the power 0 is 1. So here you have 1 over 2 raised to the power y plus 2 equals 2 raised to the power 6 minus 9y. Now we recall also that, let me write here, that 1 over x equals to x raised to the power minus 1, right? So here we now have 2 raised to the power minus into y plus 2, then equals 2 raised to the power 6 minus 9y. Alright, now you can now cancel out the 2 base. So here, opening this bracket here, you have minus y minus 2 equals 6 minus what? 9y. Now collecting like terms here, here we have minus y, here you have, by bringing this over, collecting like term, we have plus 9y, then equals 6 plus what? 2. So here we have 8y equals 8. So at the end of the day, dividing both sides by 8, so our y equals 1. Final answer. If you have just done, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are new, and ensure you click on the notification button to be notified of all of my videos in both chemistry, mathematics, and physics. Thank you, and God bless you.